I'll tell you the top 5 tips for optimizing Verizon Wi-Fi extender performance. The first one is optimal placement. You should place the Wi-Fi extender midway between your router and the area with poor coverage. Avoid obstructions like walls, metal objects, and appliances that can interfere with the signal. Ideally, keep it elevated and in open space. Second, use the same network name. Configure the extender to use the same SSID and password as your main router. This allows seamless roaming between the router and extender without requiring manual reconnection. Third one, update the firmware regularly. Ensure that your Verizon Wi-Fi extender has the latest firmware updates. Firmware updates often include performance enhancement, bug fixes, and security patches. The fourth one, optimize channel settings. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to identify the least condensated channels in your area. Adjust your extender setting to use these channels to reduce interference and improve signal quality. Fifth one, minimize signal interference. Keep the extender away from electronic devices like cordless phone, microwave ovens, and Bluetooth devices. Also, limit the number of connected devices to prevent bandwidth congestion.